Let's build your very first workflow in Vibrante-Node, step by step. Start by browsing the node library on the left. Find a node you want to use, like add integers, and drag it onto the canvas. Now, let's add another node. Drag console print onto the canvas. This will let us see our results. To connect nodes, click and drag from the output port of add integers to the input port of console print. You'll see a wire appear linking the two nodes. Configure your data by entering values directly into the node's input fields. For example, set the first number to 5 and the second to 7. Ready to see it in action? Click the play button in the toolbar or press F5. Watch as your workflow runs instantly. The event log at the bottom shows the output. Your sum appears right away. Try changing an input value and running again. The results update live, so you can experiment and iterate quickly. That's it. You've built and run your first workflow. With Vibrante-Node, you can connect, configure, and see results in real time, making creative problem solving fast and fun.